Welcome to Eagle Eye Military.
That means that take it for what it's worth there.
That's right. So yeah.
You're gonna grab this red cylinder right here.
And then better if we do it by parallel, you know? 265 and 310, yeah?
Yep.
Okay.
See something back me up.
That's you. That
Back.
my name is James Kimo Kahalelehua, Staff Sergeant of the 203rd Air Refueling Squadron. I'm Hawaiian Chinese, Portuguese, Japanese, and Samoan. But if they join the Hawaii Air National Guard, it's definitely family, of course. That's a big thing. Everyone here at 203rd, even at LRS, everyone is always like a family oriented. Everyone's always welcoming. Always, if they want to join, come. There's so much opportunity for growth. Growth is a big thing for me. So my culture, the Hawaiian values, of course, always kick in. We're always taking care of each other, care of like our aircraft, our buildings. It's pretty much everyone around us. We always want to take care. If you don't take care of them, then you're not going to get it back. So.
Hello, my name is Tech Sergeant Sky Johnson. I'm part of the 154th Aircraft Maintenance Squadron. So I'm an aircraft mechanic, but we're known as crew chiefs. I actually have a lot. I'm Hawaiian, Chinese, Native American, Korean, French, Italian, Scottish. So I'm a mixed plate. My culture, well, the Hawaii Air National Guard is unique in general because unlike a lot of other units out there, we have cultures from all over the world. And I feel like we have a very good ohana here. We all work very well together and get along with almost every person that we work with. What makes me proud of being part of the Hawaii Air National Guard, so this is where I was born and raised, and knowing that I get to help serve and protect not only our country, but specifically Hawaii. And my family is all here, majority, and there's nothing that makes me more proud than to be able to protect them, keep them safe.